Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to teach you how to fix my photo stream not updating or not showing on iPhone. Solution number 1, turn on iCloud photos. First go to settings app on your iPhone. Click on your name here. Click on iCloud. On the next page click on photos. Turn on iCloud photos. Solution number 2, sign out of iCloud and sign in again. Go to settings app on your iPhone. Click on your Apple ID name. Click on sign out. Enter your Apple ID password and disable Find My iPhone. Click on turn off. Now keep your copy of data. Click on sign out and confirm sign out in the pop-up window. Once you sign out of iCloud account, you need to wait a few seconds, then sign back into your iCloud account. And your iPhone is not updating or showing my photo stream now will be solved. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.